Hey sexy, did you hear the new song? Opputunisis. The artist name, Kemis.
Oh yeah, I did. I love that song. It turns me on. Go to www.myspace.com/J.A. Kemis. Check YouTube. You can say what you want to say. Opputunisis.
Kemis career shot it shot. Later I'm going to the club, come with me and listen to Kemis. Party life and live large.
Yes, I would love to. Let's get it on.
Yes, the star dem love it all. Slime Bag, Easy Joe and that whole 9 yard.
I heard Rahnas singing it and Slim Shady too. The song Bad. Tell Kemis that.